Alright, so this will be the first start of the 2000 Ktm 250Sx. It has sat all night long. I just put it back together yesterday. But yeah, we'll give it a start. It should start first kick, no choke. Normally does. Yeah, started first kick. Yeah, it idles really good. I rebuilt the carb, adjusted all the settings on the carb, so now it actually idles. It's fairly rare for a two-stroke to actually idle for some reason. They just don't like to idle. But yeah, that's the 2000 Ktm 250Sx. It does need new plastics. I've got all the plastics for it. It's just they're not on. Threw it together last night. Didn't fully finish it. Got late. This is the other bike. It is a 2006 CRF250R that I was initially going to take the engine out of that one and slam it into this one, but I've not had the funds to do that, so that hasn't got done yet. I'm asking $1,100 for the roller of the CRF250R and $22 for the KTM. It'll be fully put back together when somebody buys it. And I'm even willing to include the helmet. It's brand new. It's a size extra large. Got a bunch of spare parts for the KTM. Got a brand new stator. Just gonna put that in. Haven't put that in yet. Got a chain. Got the rads for the CRF, got sprockets for the KTM, got tubes for either bike, front sprocket for the KTM, and that is not included. That has saved my life multiple times. Big old bolt collection, you gotta have them. But yeah, feel free to inquire. No unreasonable or no reasonable offers are going to be turned down. I just don't have the energy or the money to put into them right now, sadly, because putting that KTM motor in that would be one hell of a weapon, because I'm 200 pounds, about 5'10", 5'11", and that KTM kicks my ass. The thing is a tank. It is fast, and it is snappy. Every gear it'll lift.